everyone. Great to see you all for this Tuesday story time. So I think we should say hello to all of our friends that have joined us today. What do you guys think? Are you ready? Can you get your two friends up? Very good. Let's practice. Let's say hello. Take your two friends, give each other a hug for friends. Time to say hello. You want to sing it together? On 1, 2, 3. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Excellent. En español, diga hola, amigos. Tiempo decir hola. Cantamos en 1, 2, 3. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Tiempo decir hola. Woohoo! Excelente. Very good. Now we said hello to all of our friends. I just want to announce that Matilda has finished 700 bookstores, 1,000 books before kindergarten. Woohoo! Excellent work. Email us at child@pwpl.org. Send us photos of your children reading and we'll put it up on our Instagram account. Okay, so let's get this fun started. I'm going to hand it over to Miss Leslie. Do you have a book waiting for us, Miss Leslie?
I do. Thank you, Miss Jessica. Good morning, everybody. So nice to see you all. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I have noticed lots and lots of birds in my backyard and my front yard. When I take my dog for a walk, I've noticed birds that I haven't seen in a long, long time, all different colors. And that made me think of one of my favorite Kevin Henkes books called Birds. It's illustrated by his wife, Laura Dronzek. They work together to put, they do many books about seasons and nature. They're really, really wonderful. So let's go ahead and read about birds. This is published by Green Willow Books. Look at all those beautiful, colorful birds. Okay. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow or, that's right, blue or brown or red or even green, I think. Have you guys seen a green bird? I think I have. Look at all those beautiful, colorful birds. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. Yeah. Birds can be big or little, or any size in between. Do you recognize any of those birds? I see a seagull and an owl. Yeah. Oh, once I saw 7 birds on a telephone wire. Do you see them? Let's count them to make sure that there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there are 7. And they didn't move. And they didn't move. And they didn't move. I looked away for just a second. And they were gone. Oh, look at this. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this or this. That's pretty neat. Oh, look. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. If there are lots of birds in one tree, and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" Have you seen that happen? I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. Can you guys sing like birds? And you could certainly pretend to fly. That's really fun. I think that Miss Susie's got a fun song that she's going to do for us.
Yeah. Hi, friend. Happy Tuesday. What do I have here? Do I have some ducklings? Can we count the baby ducks? This is the mommy duck. Let's count the baby ducks, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 4 ducks came back. Should we count the ducks that came back? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 3 ducks came back. Should we count the 3 ducks? 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 2 ducks came back. Can you help me count the 2 ducks? 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 1 duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But no ducks came waddling back. Good job, guys. I'm going to give it over to Miss Jessica.
Thank you, Miss Susie. That is one of my favorite songs. I love that one. I'm going to share a book with you that I found on Hoopla. It is called Hooray for Birds. Can you say that? Can you say hooray? Woo for birds. It's by Lucy Cousins. And thank you to Candlewick Press for this book. I really like this one. See if you recognize any of these birds as we read along. Can you imagine just for one day that you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up and the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Oh, excellent. Flap your wings and you can fly higher, higher, up, up in the sky. Oh, this is fun. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. That woodpecker is very busy. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Look at that beautiful swan. Say, hello, darling. And then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch. Can you scratch, scratch, scratch the ground with your feet? Scratch with your feet. Get those toes scratching. And catch a fly with your beak. You ready? Got it. Stand very tall, on just one leg. Can you do that like a flamingo? Stand really tall with just one leg. Oh, that's hard. Say cluck, 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 and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake, grab it, and stretch out your wings. Open up your beak and sing tra-la-la, tweet, tweet, hum, hum, chip, chip, chip. Oh, excellent. And waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, 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 go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest, just like a peacock. And then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. Oh, I love that ending. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. Toot, toot, hoo, hoo. There's the owl. The end. Thank you for listening along to that one with us. Miss Leslie, what song do you have waiting for us?
Well, those birds were very, very busy, Miss Jessica. So I have a little song that does some of the things that your birds did in the book. First of all, let's all try to make a bird with our hands. So if you take your hands and you look at them and then you cross them over and you put your thumbs together, you've got a little bird. Can you guys make a bird like that? We can try it again. Hands together, palms facing you, and then cross them and put your thumbs together, and you have a bird. Okay, so it goes like this. Little bird, fly around, up to the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings. Open your beak and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it's time to take a rest. Those birds have been very active. They're tired. Miss Susie, you have a type of bird for us, yeah? What are you going to teach us about?
I have a book about a puffin, and it's called Nothing Like a Puffin by Sue Soltis, and it's published by Candlewick Press. Look, a puffin. What a marvelous creature. One of a kind and amazing. Indeed, there is nothing like a puffin. A newspaper, to be sure, is nothing like a puffin. A newspaper is shaped like a rectangle and made out of paper. A newspaper has pages. It's black and white. But wait, a puffin is black and white too. What are the chances? A newspaper is something like a puffin after all. A pair of jeans, of course, is nothing like a puffin. Jeans are blue. Jeans have pockets and 2 legs. Oh no, don't say it. Puffins have 2 legs too. Not another thing that's something like a puffin. Look out for the goldfish. Of course, a goldfish is nothing like a puffin. A goldfish has scales and fins, and a goldfish swims. It looks like a puffin can swim too. A goldfish is a little bit, a tiny little bit like a puffin. So is a newspaper. So is a pair of jeans. So what could possibly be next? What do we see in the window? Is that a shovel? Surely a shovel is nothing like a puffin. A puffin isn't made out of wood and metal. A puffin doesn't have a handle or a blade for digging. Just a minute. A puffin uses its feet for digging. A shovel is a little something like a puffin. Who would have guessed? Look here. A snake is nothing at all like a puffin. A snake moves along without legs or wings. Snakes hatch from eggs just like birds. Hold on a second. A puffin is a bird. So it must have hatched from an egg too. So a snake is something like a puffin. That figures. How about that helicopter? A helicopter doesn't have 2 legs, and it can't swim, and it's made out of metal and has a propeller, and a helicopter flies. Watch out! This puffin can fly too. Even a helicopter is something like a puffin. Maybe a puffin is not so amazing after all. Maybe a puffin is not one of a kind. Look at this penguin. A penguin is black and white, just like a puffin. A penguin dives and swims, just like a puffin. A penguin is a bird, and so is a puffin. A penguin has feathers, 2 wings, and a beak, and 2 feet. You know what? There's no getting around it. A penguin and a puffin are 2 of a kind. But look, a penguin can't fly. A penguin is more than a little like a puffin, more than, say, a newspaper or a goldfish. But it's not exactly like a puffin. So it's true. It's true after all. There's nothing like a puffin. So cute. I'm going to give it over to Miss Jessica.
Thank you so much, Miss Susie. Adorable. That puffin is so cute. Now, we can't have a bird story time without singing 2 Little Blackbirds, right? Can you get your 2 little blackbirds up? Can you make them fly away behind your back? And then come back? Okay, do you remember their names? 2 little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Look, there's more birds arriving. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a pole. One named Fast, the other named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. Wow, that was really slow. Do you think there's more birds? 2 little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet, the other named Loud. Fly away, Quiet. Fly away, Loud. Come back, Quiet. Come back, Loud. Woo, that was really loud. You think there's more birds? Here they come. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a gate. One named Early, the other named Late. Taking so long to arrive. Fly away, Early. Fly away, Late. Come back, Early. Come back, Late. Where did Late go? Oh, time is just ticking and ticking away. Should have been here 20 minutes ago. Ah, finally. Here is Late. Miss Leslie, do you think it pays to be late or early?
Sorry, I was muted for a second. Oh, that is so fun. That is the perfect segue, Miss Jessica. You're a genius. Because I am going to be reading Early Bird. I think it pays to be early. This is written by Toni Yuly, and it's published by Fenwell and Friends. Really cute. Okay. Early Bird likes to wake up early. She stands as tall as she can. She takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. Can everybody take a nice big cleansing breath? Good way to start the day. And then Early Bird gets going. She goes across the grass and through the flower bed, under the spider web, up the path, and around the corner, and over the cat. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden where she finds the early worm. What do you think the early bird is going to do to that early worm? Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together, they share an early breakfast. So you see that? It does pay to get up early. Miss Susie, I think you've got another song for us.
I do. I have a song about birds, and it has some movement. Can you guys get up and do the movement with me? We'll do it kind of slow. Are you ready? Way up in the sky, the little birds fly, while down in their nest, the little birds rest. Shh, they're sleeping, with a wing on their left and a wing on their right. The little birds sleep all through the night. Shh, they're sleeping. The bright sun comes up, the dew falls away. Good morning, the little birds say. Yay! Okay, I'm going to give it back to Miss Leslie.
Thank you, Miss Susie. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning about birds. I learned a lot about puffins. Turns out there's nothing like a puffin. And we saw all sorts of colorful birds, great birds. So I hope maybe today you can get out and see some more birds. We're going to do some music now. We're going to clap our hands, then we're going to jump. So as always, we are going to spotlight all of you. We love to see you participating. We are recording this and we will be posting it on YouTube as we always do. So if you ever miss a story time, you can go onto YouTube and they're all there for you. But if you'd rather not be included, now's the time to turn off your video monitor. Okay, let's get ready to clap our hands, wiggle worms. You guys ready?
1, 2, 3. Come on, wiggle worms, let's get ready to clap our hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Now we're gonna stomp our feet. Stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Let's say hi to all our friends. Wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Wave hello, wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave Now it's time for us to brush our teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Everybody brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Everybody brush your teeth. Touch your nose, touch your nose. Everybody touch your nose. Touch your nose, touch your nose, touch your sweet little nose. Everybody touch your nose. All right, it's time to clap those hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands.
Woohoo! Excellent work. Clapping your hands, stomping your feet, and brushing those teeth. Do you guys know what song is up next? Who is ready to jump, jump? Anyone? What about shake, shake? Can you shake, shake? And spin around? Let's get ready.
Jump, jump. Everybody jump, jump. Take your feet and jump, 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 jump. 1, 2, 3. Shake, shake. Everybody shake, shake. Take your arms and shake, 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 shake. 1, 2, 3. Spin, spin. Everybody spin, spin. Turn around and spin, 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 spin. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap. Everybody clap, clap. Take your hands and clap, 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 yeah, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3. Jump, jump. Everybody shake, shake. Everybody spin, spin. Everybody clap, 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 clap.
That was so much fun. Okay, should we do open, shut them, and the goodbye song? Are you guys ready? Get your hands up. Ooh, I gotta shut this
Come
off.
on,
Hold
wiggle
on.
worms, let's get ready to clap our hands.
We did it. Okay, you ready? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, slowly, slowly, right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Open, shut them, raise your hands up high. Open, shut them, time to say goodbye. Bye everyone, thanks for coming to story time.